And members of Gujar community have occupied railway tracks in Rajasthan's Bharatpur in their protest seeking reservation in jobs and education. Due to the protest, railway traffic was also halted onto the Mumbai-Delhi line passing through the Kota division, following which at least 450 personnel of railway police force and the government railway police were deployed in Kota Railway Division. The Gujars have been protesting for the reservation intermittently since 2007. They have been given 5% in a special category, but it has been struck down a number of times by court as it exceeds the 50% limit set by the Supreme Court. Members of Gujar community in Rajasthan's Bharatpur district on Monday continued with their protest, demanding reservation in education and jobs in the state. They have also refused to visit any government office to interact with the administration. This time, our delegation will not go anywhere to hold talks with the government. If the government wants to talk, they can come and meet us here on the railway track, protesters said. A large number of Gujars in the Belupura village of the district had on Sunday launched their agitation by blocking railway tracks. Officials said the protest turned violent after some agitators damaged the Mumbai-Delhi railway tracks passing through Belupura. They later uprooted the fish plate of the Mumbai-Delhi tracks and some blocked the Bayana-Hindaon route, the official added, and the tracks were cleared after some time. Bharatpur District Collector, State Minister Ashok Chandna met Gujar leader Kirori Lal Bensla in Belupura, where they held a round of positive talks. Yesterday also, we had a meeting with one faction of Gujar community who was satisfied with the assurance of the state government, Didal said on Sunday. Gujar leader Vijay Bensla, however, said that they had not spoken with anyone. The youth are not getting employment. There is anger among them. Our movement will continue. We have spoken to Gehlotji, but nothing has happened so far. We have spoken to Gehlotji 4 times in the past, but nothing materialized. It's been 2 years. How much patience do they demand from us? Bansla asked. Due to the protest, railway traffic was also halted on the Delhi-Mumbai line passing through the Kota division, following which at least 450 personnel of the railway police force and the government railway police were deployed in Kota Railways Division, officials said. Alerts are also sounded across all the stations of the division. Officials have said that an extra police force will also be sent to Gujar-dominated areas in district across eastern Rajasthan, especially in Bharatpur and Karauli. We are monitoring the situation from the headquarters, Saurabh Srivastava, Additional Director General of Police, Law and Order, has said. Bureau Report.